Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Quick look at the microstructure here on the Solana chart, and the support levels are still holding. So really not much happened today, and late yesterday we didn't really get a lot of movement. Obviously we had an initial reaction to that yellow support area, and so far the price is printing higher highs and higher lows actually since January, middle of January, end of January here, since this low point of around $78. Yeah, we've seen a first initial 5-wave move up. As I said in previous videos, because of these 5 waves up, I could give you a support area. Then another 5-wave move up, I could give you again a support area. Another potential 5-wave move up, I could again give you a support area. Someone commented in the previous video, I did see that. Every time we buy, it drops, and every time we sell, it goes up or something like that. So basically just buying too late, I guess, and selling too early. Well, literally, you don't need to do anything else than just look at these levels. I mean, again, everybody's got their own strategy and method, but I can only tell you, if you are buying and it's dropping, then I don't know what you're doing. You probably are buying the top. That's often comes from emotions. As I always say, these levels are there for pullback traders. I usually see it that way, that for a pullback trader, the best way to deal with this is just to look at the levels, add positions in the pullback zones. I cannot recommend that to you really, but it is, for me, generally, I think the most reasonable way of trading Elliott wave. In recent weeks, we've hit 4 of our target areas. I cannot remember that since then any of the support levels broke. I don't think they did. At some point something will break, but until then you can make money if you want to trade these structures. I mean, this was first reaction to the fib level here as well. I mean, if you missed this, there's another one. Here's another one, yeah. You never know really how deep they go, but even if you have just a small position, making money, small position, making money, small position, making money. I mean, it's all there on the charts. I mean, it's not that I have moved anything after these trend reversal or trading areas have been reached. No, I mean, it's respecting it really nicely, okay? So if you're losing money, then you are trading the wrong time frame, or you're too emotional. So that, I just general statement really, because with the analysis itself, if you just applied it, again, this is just the analysis. This is not trading. You have to add your own skill and mindset and everything. But the levels are there, and the advantage is, if you are trading this as a pullback trader, you can very quickly move your stop into break even. I mean, even now, even anybody who, even if you missed this, but let's say you bought here and it's broke above the previous high, then typically when the next low is made and we break above the high, it can be reasonable to move up the stop loss below that low, and you're in profit. You cannot lose anymore. Okay, so yeah, but of course they can break at some point, which always happens. Like with every trend, at some point the trend breaks. The advantage of Elliott wave is it tells us when it's breaking. And here I will start to assume that something different is going on if the $105.98 level is breaking. But for now, we've had another dip into support, we've had another reaction, and it now depends on what happens. If we see a break above the $115 level, a sustained break, it's actually around about $115.20. I assume a third wave rally is unfolding to $125 plus. If we see a break below $105.98, then it's likely that this wave 2 is still unfolding. Okay, so these are the key threshold levels to watch. So above the last swing high, I think we are heading towards 125. Yeah, and below the 105.98 level, I think wave 2 here is still in the making, and we had an A wave down, an overshooting B wave, and a C wave down, so alternative wave 2. But that would not be bearish necessarily. It would simply reset the wave 2 and the trend would still be ongoing. This area could simply offer another opportunity. Okay, but it's a bit too early to say. We'll need to see how it develops tomorrow and if we can get a breakout to the upside. At the moment, I think the market is not so decided yet. Also, Bitcoin is sort of in a topping structure, but can still extend. So yeah, if Bitcoin extends, I mean, it will be easy from here. I mean, the setup is there, yeah. Solana could just move according to the setup. It's all prepared. It's just the bulls just need to turn up. So just the benefit of the main benefit of this video, I think, is just to explain again, or was to explain again, the structures as well as the relevant support areas. Also here more specifically for the current pullback, 105.98 to 110.74, and also how to use the analysis to build your own trading plan around it. I mean, I will not tell you to buy here to sell there, because everybody's got their own risk profile, cash flow, and so on. But the levels are there, and the market clearly respects them. At some point, the market will not respect them anymore, and that is when we have to adjust. Simple. Yeah. When the market is taking another path, then it means we have to adjust our parameters. That's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.